Hello guys, and welcome to my video tutorial number 29. And in this video, in the last video I told you that we were finished with the project, but I think that we will continue using the CRUD test site because I was thinking to upgrade a little bit more the test site and use as well a login system that we don't have yet, and also use a search. I'm going to put a search functionality to search whatever name you want in the database, and also I'm going to show you how to do pagination. Okay, so to start, let's go to the browser and let's type localhost/testsite/home.php, enter, and we have here our CRUD control center, home, register, edit user, and delete user. Okay, so if we click home, we are here. If we click register, we go to the register form. Cool, edit user, and as you see, I've made a lot of new entries, okay, to the database, because we will need this for the new scripts or the new functionalities that we're going to do. So if you guys only have 1, 2, or 3 inserted users in the database, please go to the register here and do maybe 10 to 20 new registered users into your database. So you can put whatever name you want, and we will need that. Okay, so do that, and if you have 20 registers or 15, that's enough. Okay, so if you already have your 15 to 20 new users in your database, let's proceed and let's go to the code of let's open Notepad and let's go to insert.php. And what I'm going to show you in this video is how to be able to if a register already has a name of, for example, Victor. Okay, I don't want this situation to happen. For example, I have here Victor and then I have another user, Victor. Okay, so I want every username to be different, and to do that I have to go to register, and if I type Victor, and it will if I click here, it will register another new user with the same name, Victor. And I don't want that. I want to a message if I click Victor or type Victor as a new registering user. I want, and click here, I want a new message to appear saying that name already exists in the database. Okay, so with that technique, every time a user registers, has to be a new name. Okay, we don't want repeated names in the database. Okay, so let's go to Notepad again, insert.php, and to do that we will have to type it here or here. Okay, so after this line here, MySQL select database test site here, let's type a new variable called username. Let's type MySQL query and type select name from users where name equals single quotes, and inside single quotes let's type the variable name. Okay, this variable name is the variable okay, of the name we post or register in the form. Okay, so what we are saying here is MySQL query select or search from the field name, okay, users where name is equal to the posted name, okay, if there is. Okay, so basically we're saying here search for if there is already a name posted with the same name that we are posting, the new name that we are posting. Okay, and now let's make another variable saying count equals MySQL num rows, and this will give you the number of rows that are returned from this line here, or this code here. So here inside the parentheses we have to type the variable username, okay, to make this line of code in action. Okay, so let's save this, and here let's type an if statement saying if count, which is this line of code, and this line of code will return you either 1, that means that there's one row, a user that already exists with that same name, or 0, that user, there is no user with that name in our database, so you can register. So let's say if count is not equal to 0, okay, that means that a user with that name already exists. So the action that we're going to do is die, and I told you already what this means. Die means cut the connection with the database, okay? Cut the script. So here let's type die to cut the connection, and let's put a message saying let's say username already exists, please type another name. Instead of username, let's type here name already exists, please type another name. Okay, so that's it, basically that's it. And let's save this. Okay, and now let's see if this works. So let's go to edit user, and we have, for example, let's say here I have Johnny as the user 29, right? So I'm gonna do a new register form or registered user with the name Johnny, and see if I can do that registration. So let's go down here, register a new user, Johnny, and register, and name already exists, please type another name. Okay, so you see that it works perfectly. So with this new script or new code that we put in the script, we will have always new users with different names. Okay, we will not have users with the same name in our database. Okay, so I'm going to do a little change here, because let's say in here I want to put this include links.php here. Let's paste that, and what it does is we will be able to use the links, okay, the links.php when this message appears. And let's see this in action. Refresh, and let's type here Victor, because I know that Victor already exists. Register, name already exists, please type another name. and this doesn't work because I basically cut the connection. Right. So copy this. Let's put this here instead of down. Paste it here, here. Save that. Refresh. And perfect. Okay. Name already exists. Please type another name. Perfect. Let's go back. Register. If I type a new name, let's see, HHH. I know that I don't have nobody with that name. Click register. One row inserted. I want to change this as well. Instead of one row inserted, I want to change this with a new. Here it is, with a new phrase here, a new message. So let's say here, registered. Let's take this out. I don't need that. And instead of using the number of the rows inserted, let's say you have successfully registered. So let's go back. Let's refresh. Sorry, let's register a new user. Let's say aloha. Register. You have successfully registered. Okay, and that's it. If I go to register again and do aloha again, aloha. Yeah, that's it. Aloha, register. Name already exists. Please type another name. Okay? I can change that also and put here this with in bold. B. And type here as well, error. Okay. Let's see this, refresh. And that's it, error. Name already exists, please type another name. Okay guys, so that's it. See you guys in the next video, and in the next video we will learn, I'm going to show you how to make a search system, okay, a search engine to search your database for whatever user you want to search, okay, by the name or email, okay. So see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay. Bye.